Buya kimo manchomo rigererwa natie kagotebia nigo tole nere omoske chamse atandi se tokonyara kwa tokoligereria abera tatoiga ali agenda takane kwa chinsemo itukeliga ali alero omoske chamse atandi nigo abolitie kerwo kyobo jumbe ase bunge ya Gitutu Chache North na igo mna bago bata banga chikaburanke igo ninge go chia bulita lekene na nende tali ntunde tangani kima tokonya kwa tokwana nere ime ya Getembe antiga mwaliga ni karibu mheshimiwa
uya mono chibugere tinge ego na iberetu
jiba ko ibere njia ko bulita ba nagar ba jibe to jikabule se ba jibe
thank you
karibu Getembe
uya mono
ngorengie matukara askuru ko twalenga monande gosino mwako eta guchumu chaka na aliga
ya
matukara chire
arasukire
na kyo endret na ninga kyo roche kubwa monto la chakera kurese county ya kizinga kyo roche county ya endret
monom na estu ekire bono iga focus ya no goranga baraya bange barigere 2027 inere toke endret bono iga kero monto ngo minyokara arore sago soa ondo kuliyo ndate gete koleta lete for his own reasons lakini abananchi barobate kubuli questioning ayetwa chore thank you wa college yes
na akaro ba raya bange ba chakero kuligereri 2027 ko mono na ndoko kuligeringa kinge tole katikati yetam ya egendinga kiura nyar ko kiri kurwa from your end se anamuna barai bali banya tuka bago chorwa bali tamu katikati ba chakero kuligereri 2027 tare barabo kana na bali sikona bali 2027 lakini saba bali obviously na mono to kuligereri
buya mono egento nkire na berengo kwana semekutano ngweta nabantu ko tebya abantu nga injatandi yare ko banga no mubunge ndabono machiko nale makenare gusuguma chenju lichiko litangani indirie ya aspirant se karba ko gichikura ekero go jikori yekura to se gro tenne kero ko gichikura kero kendi yonsi nko egwore conditions so when the committee requirements we go cleared na EACC masakara aligererigwe nebintu binde lakini mbali gocha baligereria ngomuntu yoretire bintu ebi mutu eno murongo uri kuri yuburai
mutu na
bakwe igori jikeli nto bwana to change ba aspirants ba ko mental assessment whatever boy etoko genda ochora barai omurayo cha go campaign yani agenda yaye inkiago kolera bananchi wetana no akiruchikura immediately yakera akiruchikura agenda lyache bono kwa iwo chakire guturanga abankoragira bali abambali koragira abankonyora bali intundo likonyora final kwa iwo tebiringa bono na retiro murayo muya urachiko bomura ekera ari kuri chikura tatebe tibantu ngakere chikuri gyo murai ega batebe tinga ngakere chikura imbakorereme einera bana bakora batage so I'm saying leaders barobona gaba focus ko dira bana chigas 2027 ingare even 1 month politics is a very long time 2027 ingare gaba focus ko dira bana chimeremo enga kiye wike karo campaign ya tangashiru na ba kwa ni beto
na ndege ntaka mkiaba kia segetira no orogongoro go siasa cha 2027 no go kuonekana nga umugusinza chine na bwente go chinchinjira kwa kachikura chia chingwana chanya kwa chiko ngaba ntachinda gusimba bali babiri batatu yabwate kerenga gyo kuboli burayi bwense igente kitachina kia segetire to tuale siasa cha mapema cha 2027
no
kore no kulige kwao
abumbu yabuno mugusi to kolengere intubuno mugusi ntubwata barai ntubwata basomi babwenerete gwetenenera na barabugo so national table wesabire bintu telibuya ngatobe maega yo mugere ngatomoto maji gutusabira tugesa kugyo mugusi ige nkwane yakire nengiya yakire bono iga lakini tigeje genuinely erete professionals on board erete the clergy on board erete nabana siasa on board tebanga ni individual itanga ine go champion ibintu nebyo etoki is okay yes
lakini ese individual gano yo manyene oyo takere gosina abandi ba gosina ba muntu kawero sino mwana njoka yo na bana siasa waterenza jinde professionals baretu lakini kola ikose kire gendo ngebwanda ko chakira ase kitana bora nyaga sija chakire no nya professional muri ali kuna njira bora ko chikoli ko
professionals in abantu buna in media and others. Let me tell you, siasa iruhusi yose kuyirigereria. Politics is dynamic.
Yeah.
Politics tu akole 2013 tali yero ya akole 2017 na handi tali yero ujo akole 2027. Politics changes every time. Oise kurigele bana abantu lo ujo wakachikura mono the agencies oise ko bategera mbali ujo bategera bintu nge wave no mbali ko tere bintu nge they want to leading what quality of leaders montagete koleta uyo ningo ba kumurigereria bamana ko ba satisfied nga yesu na bongo mwake korumaga igona bo muri ndoro gocho bo DM nyako ro DM wakoraki ko ira chikura. So politics is changing, but abara imbali gusiga yabana lete tabiyembe ere keraro chi siasa iga ba korare sa siasa bune go chukalibiyoro lide otebire ngabono gongo tumantanga na aria imbenga
alignment
imbenga injengo block igari ntanga ne motwe so atandi bago jamba isaranse boardroom matebinga ya atandi injendanga inaria
injengo ira mangana
aria no ni tike injengo ira karambe gere gento gage korori ekaro ko genda siasa buneyo wasangia abantu bande bakorire kibangusire maega babere twachakire siasa embe so siasa buneyo ya leaders, some leaders bagokora and that's why kwaro gusi abantu bande bachakire kwemurungani because we expected ekero tebanga wachire ko liyo monta ko tena chikura uyu wachi ko liyo gasire era tabuati njira ko liyo chikura ta sabi chikura ateri na tebanga atandi ko liyo chikura na ya ko tengo liyo kura ngachiku lakini ngento tebaneke nyori ekero mu gusisa ta ko liyo kura abato kumugwatisi we have no problem we only want to listen to him ngeta tukuligiri chikura na ngera have better than overrival wakati
tabange base singana ko baro mugusi
yes tebe base singana ko baro mugusi we will support him lakini ndo como support onyo aloga goja na political brokers o maite twate bani o maene e kwanda angeli ga igante bya bana inchi ba gusi obo maene aba na siasa chikura chat ndo rja bana siasa bande ba kominyoka motwe sengenjo ba hero chibese batera chikura chiara ekero chikura chiara liro mwana ominto baselibwa there is no way ndago fandiko kole campaign yao na ndo chego ntebinga nkurikiro muntu osengo konya sigete muna na kwa chibesa bono twakorera bono burayi buno bosangi mbuli ko konyo mugusi
ando kuganya bakachikura chinde
na ndo liyo muntu onde obona bu burayi to gokana so we want to burayi to ja twins on board totebenga onyalgo go support you for some reason nero chirengo liali chikura tumubolinga give us your scorecard igasi kwakolire ngaki wakolire tuligereza benga yes I think na boto koraki na boto go support lakini siasa mna nara tegerei igendo yego ngasikiza ground jero ko igwa abantu bagwa tegerere ground igo time tinga na onde pati yes omanyete abantu abange bahimukire kujuwake chikura because batangiti abantu bande baro korori I want to give you a very practical example Silvano Sosoro igare serikali na Chafed Nyakungun North Onyunga Kibagendi and the rest they are on the other side now abantu bali bago support the two camps bali bago support Onyunga bago tebanga Osoro be hakiri kuba mano we want to vote Ruto out abambura bagenda siku you understand no Osoro na robate na bate banga ndoma ite we karakaria to ikire chiko ni mago to serie we katurage such a kind of politics igego itomo gusi right and that's why I've been saying even Kibagende na Motebi omwana inchoko wakirisha kitutu chache no pay tax including yourself
Church South
yes South bono igo chake kongora Kibagendi for example kumurusia magoso oendo obisi yaye iga ugo mnyokiwo because wako tebango kumurwani ole lakini ngwa kanole tax kibese cyo Kibagendi akoe wabone takor agokorere mirimo now ekerego at national level ba kuomana ngakaro ngwa kana tole tax wege president ngakiare goko ayo nyore baria patali go support go usema go so kuba minyo the president will equally chase you away
na mbia ekwende mbia kwanyara trengo ye kwana twengi ko chimoino lakini okaba kwanya ko ko je kwana na boto kwa jara tara gaiganga amatuko mukubona ri kuri gorone tukuri rero twarorire boge tutu chache north na kitu chache south ya barai ba kurutira na mangana se mitandao yore moske Javet Mukanya kundi no moske Anthony Kibagendi anne mono ngorege mangana acha gete yo bwa gachibwe para para ngati nere gatajete chikunge chionsibere ebuge ya kitu chache north na ebuge ya kitu chache south watenga chinde okungusana bakora bese egwe yakege kuba ebindo bunina bigo changia tumati kusikwanyale kuboko kubwatie okungusana no kumuna kwa gate kuboko kwa nakiwa ne ene karangere kyongere kigo okungusana no kubwanza
uye sana any development ya korwa usiengima is for the benefit yo mugusi right, that's why I said abana inchi bonse kwa kana bali tax and I know koligie bintu korwa se serikali go ikobo muntu mungai nando ike serikali yangi no maite politics ya ito Kenya abuneri that's why Rocho Mogere aliara is maybe is exiting politics oligiri njira tagetara
strategy
ya arakonya abantu bayetage n'abantu baye baumite so amangana ya abaraja bakurutirana is quite unfortunate umuntu elected as a leader imbabwe natiko at that level because we assume inuna abantu bono mwekire level mo kwagyu mo mana lakini mutarwale are you seeing and social media usually into scared of social media the bloggers and so many social media na bego kwanekera gose wako boki but you can ignore go to social media go teba ni bintu bali go tema ni that's not leadership right bone pale yo gwabo watebe go cut across north na south even Mheshimiwa Japheth ochieta akasabe pale hiyo akaego chikiro mtiko extend and let's be honest Japheth is my competitor na nenkuri indi chikura I'm not going wakira Japheth chinkobi na wakorire gashi you are going to ask me what best can I offer than Japheth
an alternative to Japheth
yes that's the question abana inchi ba Kongoli and I will provide lakini yonyoro igete president yange wekira aliyo sabire para chikiro mndakiri chachire paka south le teba ngane is a war right wasebwe hakege kuba wakonyera bakuzibo okay boss sabebintu
igenda kane para ya rosi tetagire kumanyanga ngosa bangota sabe para ya rosi
para ya rosi ya rosi na Mheshimiwa Kibagendi bya kuyibobe in any case para yakonyera bantaba yakonyera bantabangi because abantaba north na south no gwata abantu bakera chikura na para korosi wa trigo kura in fact to some extent gera comment chikura the best strategy vale kumirana you know mnava na siasa mnava ra ibate venga to isaransi to ate prepare to bwatera na koreki taliko rusani yangi ichiriria that is wrong yes
na netonya kwa to kuligereria gesogo chakira igoro ya siasa manene muno cha 2027 abange bamuche kuligereria okungusana okugati ya gutokurutana na mangana gati ya abajumba babere bagolengere bakoligereria niko bakurwana chisegi chitali chiabo in a way ekorere kananga nsachinde omoske Kibagane ni gakurwana segi yo moske Dr. Fred Matiang'i na omoske Japheth Nyakundi gakurwana esegi yo mu raibu enso moske William Samoei Ruto nabaya nyaka bage koligerunga nsachinde niko bakurwana ntekurunga proxy wars
the best question could be ingiyeko gara Kibagende ataligo ike president yako because he's the president now inki ataligo ikero it's simple it's simple mirango esieki esiekire
ngie esiekire
so onyole mirango gesiekire alternative nerely we can't memoina na inche nyole chinguru ororo cyoko sugumo muntu
anya murango gotoka ya na wigo
yo no nyogoko igokore oigoke politics na berego lakini ebinte kwa kebolire kabere inchire yabara yabakono ko watenga bakurwana chisegitali cyabo one ebakurwana because sometimes kiro muntu gategetu yake kubanga noro chinga ninchorire noro chinga no mubungende noro chinga ninde somewhere noro chinga ninde close to the president noro chinga na achiri na Matiang'i baseli you know this was and that's why because I was sharing with some very senior politicians who are retired and they told me they don't want to sit near Angena Matobe Bunari. All right? If that is what you have decided, so be it. But then they said, the coming elections, Imbarwe, umwerekeo. Batebya bantunga, mwari guancha mochoreiga. Are you seeing? So, maitena adinjiri bako enda personal. Nyakundi, mheshimiwa Nyakundi, ngoika tulitwaro mana. But we don't get personal. Right? Onyonga ngoika tulitwaro mana. We don't get very personal. Eto issues to raise. Mune chibona na batebiri ngonyonga. Tika na mangana yuko na kominyokanga Matiangi ngochali. Matiangi is a grown up, Matiangi was serving as a minister, onyoga kulikichura tele ukumulie, it will come. Onyonga sit down, tebya bananchi inki kwa bakoleire for this years. Wa koleki. Onyoga wa kole your oversight role we are. Tebya bananchi, this is what I've done. Right? So that time welige goika, then Matiangi aji, wala usabaji kola koleki. Atusabe. But tebanga etokurwana because otegete konyole position ugochukobange na power we akege kuba. What about this common knowledge? Yes.
Na karangaria kia gakorwa buna kirokyo gekora nanda matuko rire atari makete amatuko ange 19 anja machikora kana ngana ukungusana kora kana gatio magavana amo no senator anene mono igori amangana yo oversight so senator nyata ko bakoboliga gutaka kubato karangaringa nzachinde ekara akomokuoti direct atatenga onye abantu bobo iro mugavana nche kubolinde mu Russia bisi tachinde ko machikoro kinga igo esegine error.
You know, let me tell you, there no mwana siasa. Mwana siasa at some point enchiro we conduct ya weka nenchiro ko lebintu byao negero sikwe usojayo ntegeta bagusiba antegera bya bawtegento neke. Why? Ekromo wisara sanse mwabanga magana yo burai. Lakini watangania interest ya mutu wataboke ni bwata abantu magagaiga ngachibese chinganiga mana uchaka gokonye campaign. Anytime mugo chikuta kurusio muntu ya magoso uyoko ete chibese we always thinking you are trying to blackmail chibese bono igaho kerengera lienchirenga. What if we approach it differently? Ogetebinga for the sake ya bananchi baitu ebintu mbira question sinjira mbwene te koreisi chirega. So na baba bananchi bakoraki bakotegera. Number 2, in politics tinko genda siko ga omochere njake gutura ngumanyite bone kiroge kuisarasete mambingo goserinde kuroki insoe politics the mwana minte gendo kerda kwana na ria resinga bagusiba ituna bantabane oise gotegerera abantu buchibinyoro maria ebintu baguchiba questions bakoreis ebakubulinga oyo yes, that is okay. But first, give us your scorecard. All right? In any case, umugava narati ese ko mochero nyonga abana injira bakoranga omochero. Onyonga ise ko mochero umugava na abana injimbaro. Abana injusinga no onyonga mochero umugava. Lakini ekere bintu binde bire involved. Una chitongoro na gotebi abana injuro rwesenge chine chibese bagokoraki again that time. So we don't want to do such a petty politics. Na kieke na gotebeli moralianga siasa yetu ya Gusii na Kenya ngima tigatura the kind of leaders to collect on board. And it is my wish yar ko nyarikana leadership yara chenjua. And I want to give you a reason why. Kitutu North, Jimmy was there. Onyonga came, then Jimmy came. Then now Chafet Yuchiri. Every time, Oburai go change, a changing correcaneri. When Jimmy was there, you could see some changes. Physical. So now Nyonga and the South, Jimmy Achicha. Kimi also wanted to outshine one of you. You see, nera agakora a few things ya, akaleta chipara ngeje chiti kubwatira ramo mahati, ya chiti kubwatira nyagisaye bono ya tabuko mwino, akaleta lete bintu bike. So ekaro chafe ya tagatanga chipare chingo chikora, erro karenga na akolera. So whatever what you go, if that change has to be, what you go, nero will want to do better than chafe. Right? Na for development you go check. But mokobe ko murai. 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, yes.
Ingibuna lifetime.
Lifetime.
Na director na agonte binga chinsa chike kumenyo kamano ri tukolia le tutodura chinsa chinke na timanyeti igoro kwanyara kwa bokoligererie gosetwa abakenya bonse baligererie kigenda takwa ni kwa sense ya Kenya nene mono amatuko aitire angaikopika kurwo gosira kwa Lipatio Chuangi gocha gocha litukolia igoro twaro cha mangana alianya kwa kana kwa sense ya Nairobi timatinga inkiora nyako kwa na igoro ya gendete na nene mono ayalengete kolikia jensi gekora gwanyara kwa kwa ndeka tochaga.
One thing in the Kwanu Moralia, it's so sad. In a country like Kenya, as it overall is a democracy and there is rule of law, we kira umwana uno going to related. I want to say this as a leader, because I'm not a siasa. Anybody already mentioned there's some mangana including deputy IG. It should be dismissed from service and start away. Onyora mangana alia togete is common mwananchi obete involved. Tanga bononga mitiari. We don't want abarai batageteko bataligo kwana kende goseba kwegera. You cannot justify enjira omontago itweseri ago itwenjireli. And by the way, kelikia bete that's one of them. Here catch to your attention the media people rinda bantu bakoroki imbirebe go korubo bisi abana ba bitari go soka siko. There is another case igaiga marani abana gete barasetu ngatema go kebwatia ngasangi there were issues even yaba abaskari na abana bari kubuna abakungu. You understand? But because abantu abale poor omuntu itwa and it's forgotten. Ndoko gendrenjiri as a country. Igola gatiere tiari zaini kuri merimeri yaye
bagatanga step sia tside
gendo ke ngo step aside na understand kiwe amangana ya chance na gotebia you know you abantu be media enjira nere na inuma contributory enjira togo kini abana aba some media houses as early as 7:30 or 8 dilu isarastene family ya okoliendaga avec les soap operas, TV, violent, whatever. Even to begin to have to back one. Abantu back on a comment no. Bako mwano grade 4 ko bowling and kibako mena. You understand? If that is how you bring a generation in area, bako rabantu bako ruana, that's a family setup. Soap operas no might danger back worked like a family. Kuruana bali. Abana baki ninjira mune. Where are we going? The youths we have now, the so-called agencies, abantu basomete, full of energy, yeah, abantu very well informed, abantu tangaini, na hande bare they don't take excuses. Ibata te korolo bintu bigo kora. So let us listen to them. Utala tikura se topic here. Let us not victimize na gochaka goita abana singi joba kolike bintu social media. Right? Social media is here to stay with us. Let us be patient with them. And it's not a mass to affect just leave.
Nekyo mwedio in a minute or two, was less than 2 minutes, igoro ya empowerment ya gendreta kwa kolekana ne akurwa sabara ibe serikali muna katokoli county ya Kisii omukonyo muraibu enso chirange chintunda inye county ya Nyamira chirange entune Tanganyika jete igo ochire gusimara gatano empowerment nande karo chigwa kusabu nga chiamo chikoragana chibasia chagiru ase empowerment program sinange 50 million katokobeka lavu nga 10 million kire function ngoja jire ngire nyako bako kwana igoro murubali yo mugima
Muralia, we have so many challenges as a country. Chibesa chiri chose piba koleta like to empower the community na ba uchiroka. To me, I think that's wrong. Why ingeko rangote baba iko. Legal education yaito. Ya very expensive. You go outside here, abana mbale ba ba divide no nechi college, batari able work in school fees. Why can't you put this money together? All right? Mobile education is free. Abana bakore basome. One of these functions in Aringemarani. Ekarawache Thorora was seated there, and after the function, when I was leaving, Nkaiwa, one of the university students, so Kombolia question. Agante be deferred my studies, as saying in Jotingo work and school fees. Now these people have come here. Actually, I have a table to Chibese, going power community. Going power. In any case, need to bring the students into Bakalata into when they go coin. And I have one thing. Akabori, you know why we are bitter, and sometimes Toko feeling we should come out. We fight Elinde to take it away. It's because of these things. Abaraiba ujabe yake kuba, yake kuba na baranga na serikali, na babu weri kibese ne bahasha, right? Ekerongo gendanga. Tinduo chisukuru, I've divided my studies. In Kandi, I have nothing. So if an opportunity comes, you go vent my anger. I'll come out. I'll come out, yes.
Be mono mosike toiturigiri tukodi tobugata chinta chinyinga ke rero twatema kuyiba chinsa chia news yake retwara kwanira mange nanda mayango lengera no murigereri ito nero nyale kobaga komanya bibiri bitatu iga mwanje murigereri emerobeli ende kobugatia ngochera segeka getali egeke injeni ngongoro kwaro ni toto nyangiri nigo twarenge nere omosike James Atandi oyu politikero ke bajumbe korwase bunge ya kitucha note ime ye county ya Nyamira tumirande chinsa nye ase kionga chinsa nye asenjera bwekera.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kuwatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biriya